From there, we give ways in which the church responds to child abuse. How does it respond to it, or how does it react to it? Number one, preaching love. You preach love and tolerance in the family. Even if a child has undergone this mistreatment, you preach love so that he or she can forgive and do what? Love. Also, those people who are causing this child labor, this child abuse, they should also start showing what? Love. And tolerate each other in the family. Also, you provide guidance and counseling to the victims of child abuse. If you know you are a victim of child abuse, that is, you were caned or beat when you were very young. Very young is under 18. That is what I said, yes? So if there's someone who kept on caning you and caning you, you should undergo guidance and counseling. Especially if these are to guidance and counseling is actually for the victims who underwent domestic what? Violence. In domestic violence, we don't only talk about the couple beating each other or the husband beating the wife. Also, in the same commotion, the husband can cane the what? The children, or abuse the children. So they need guidance and counseling, praying for their families, and promoting family life education. Family life education is mainly concerned on responsible what? Parenthood. Also advocating for the right of the children and women, and providing for basic needs for the victims of domestic violence. You know, that's why we keep on encouraging. I don't know why people say that the boy child is left out and the girl child. Still, the girl child has not attained what is supposed to be attained. Because today, if you are a woman, and that is most of the women in Kenya, like 60%, you're married, you don't have work. That's why we're insisting they go to school, they read so they can have a particular work they are doing and earn income. You know, in case there is a domestic violence, you cannot get out of that what? Homestead. You cannot leave your husband. You cannot get away from it. Why? Because what are you going to eat? You depend for everything. Your husband gives everything. That's why even if your husband today starts alcohol abuse or even any drug abuse, and you stole the money and gives you only, maybe, let's say all the money, and when he gets the other little he gets, that is when he takes care of the what? There's nothing you can do. All you can do is complain. You complain to your child, you complain to the whole society. And that is going to, now it's becoming what? Child abuse. That's how it comes about. Because your mother cannot be able to take him or herself out of there. The best remedy that I've seen so that that parent can take themselves out of there, they need to be empowered. Even if they're empowered, they can't leave their husband. Number two is the children. If the child goes to school and does well and goes to the, they're going to earn their own money. And they will take out the what? The mother, yes? Out of that. And most of the men who do that, after their children are grown up, yes? They'll start doing what? They start getting scared of if the child has earned a lot of money and is doing well, he'll even start treating the wife what? Better, because of the child. I've seen such, I don't know about it, but that's my take. From there,